My name is Salvatore Cascio. Everybody knows me as Sal. I wish I could do this in Italian. Amo Steelite perché mi porta indietro col tempo, ricordi in famiglia con nonno, nonna e tutti i nipotini. I work for Bali Hospitality and we are here at Denuccis in Chicago. I work in restaurant business for more than 10 years. I started in Italy and I moved here in Chicago about 10 years ago. And I developed all the pizza program for the company. I started in Sicily, so it's my homeland. I love what I do. It's my life, I would say now. I was born in an environment where cuisine and cooking is like a daily thing in Italian families. My mom used to cook every day for me. Food is also the simplest ever. Just made it with fresh ingredients. Maybe my dad was picking some fennel from the garden and making a salad with it, or go fishing with him. And we were bringing fish at home and we were making a barbecue outside. And sometimes we were sharing also with the neighborhood because there is a party every day, especially on summertime when all the kids are running. But especially in pizza, it was about a pizzaiolo. It was famous in my area there. He was doing such a great job and he's patient and introduced me in this world. That for me it was all the flavors and the working with the fire. It was for me almost like a superpower that you can have because you can control different things and create something from nothing. First time when I saw these plates, Steelite plates, we were working on DeNucci's project. We were in the office and I fell in love immediately with the plates. I thought how good it would be just having all the food plated on the plates and would look good as a dish in general. Because we know people eat first with the eyes, then with the mouth. So it's very important. Obviously, the Steelite plates mix everything combined very well together with the food that we are making here. Is very traditional. It reminds me what it was at home when I was a kid. So that's what we brought here between the silverware and the glasses and the plates. Everything reminds me home, reminds those flavors that it's not just plating on any plate, but we chose those because we want to bring up the old ambience, old school memories to our guests. We chose also these plates because we noticed during service that these hold also very well the heat and that all the food stays warm. It touches the table, it's super hot still. So this is a very important point for the chefs to deliver food still hot at the table, and the plate obviously help us a lot.